Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to change the key fob battery if you have a rounded key like this in a Ford Mustang from 2010 to 2014. This is for a Ford Mustang 2010-2014. They use this smart key that's got a key built into it, and if this battery goes out though, here's what you need to do. First thing is, if you look on the side here, you can kind of see this looks like it could be split in half, right, all the way around, and it can. Now the key to this is I actually used a razor blade to kind of score the edges here, and the key is at the top here. If you can kind of get some leverage into where you'd put a key ring in, you can really start to get some separation on these two sides. So if you score around there and then kind of slowly work your way around with like a flathead screwdriver, I'm using a pretty small one here, you can start to get some leverage at the top of this key. See how it's starting to come apart just a little bit? So just kind of keep working your way all the way around this key. And again, the best part is this leverage right at the top. Okay, so we're getting some pretty good separation now. This thing's about ready to pop off. Pop off! Alright, there we go. So, there's two parts to this. When you separate these two, there'll be this little like kind of battery cover thing here. You can just take this off, and this gives you access to the battery we need to replace, and this is a CR2032 battery. This thing will kind of pop right out. If it doesn't, just kind of get underneath it there. And make sure when you replace it that the positive side is facing up towards you, so the positive side has the lettering on it there. So put in your new 2032, and then you've got this kind of rubber piece here. Just make sure that this section here that kind of is rounded, make sure that covers up the battery, and just kind of align it back on the fob there. And then go ahead and take the backing here and kind of push that back down there. Pop everything kind of back together, and it'll snap, and you should be all set. So that's how you replace the internal key fob battery on Ford Mustang from 2010 to 2014.